Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, then scroll down to System and Update and find Reset. Choose Reset Phone, and then again Reset Phone at the bottom. Now before you do so, you are presented with basically a list of things that this process will remove. Important things would be things like music, photos, and the files. The rest of the things you can basically get back, like applications, data, and accounts. So anyway, if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently, obviously. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, click on Reset Phone, and then you have the option to actually back it up here. But I won't be doing that, so I'm just selecting Reset Phone again, and this will now begin the process. Now, this should take just a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.